Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from Public Data Digger step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from Public Data Digger, first go to their website. Enter your first and last name and then click Go. You can also search using your address or phone number. From the search results provided, find your record and click on your name. A new web page will open, displaying your personal details. Then copy the URL of your record. Once you have copied your record URL, scroll down to the bottom of the web page and click the Remove Profile link. To delete your profile, choose between manual or automatic removal by selecting the corresponding option. Then click Next to proceed. An automatic profile removal form will be displayed. Fill out the form with the record URL you copied earlier, along with your email address and phone number. Complete the CAPTCHA, then click Submit. A message will appear informing you that an email notification will be sent to you from publicdatadigger.com. Check your email and look for the Public Data Digger confirmation message. Complete your opt-out by clicking the link provided. Congratulations on opting out of Public Data Digger. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.